Hey guys, it's Kiana and today I am coming to you guys with much better quality. I don't know what to do. I'm so excited. Got the Canon G7X. I worked super hard to get the money for it. Let me know how you feel about the quality down below. I'm really praying that it's good because I don't know what to do if it's not. It's literally crazy. It's like we're in the same room. You can literally see all my pores. All of them. Now I can't hide myself looking ugly because you can see everything. I thought it would be fun to do a makeup tutorial
where you can actually see what the hell my face looks like.
If you guys are excited about my new camera and my good quality and my YouTube channel getting much better, then please give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to see the videos I put out with this new camera. I'm really excited about it. If you can tell, I keep saying it in every sentence that comes out of my mouth. Let's get started.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman, but he's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 30. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys, they know it. Fast money, don't slow. No one can control. Got class and style. Street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby, never act wild. Very low key on the profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Love's the word, spins the vibe. Lovers the girl, freak what you are. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. Soda, Remy boys, they know it. Fast money, don't slow. No one can control. No, yeah. And I got this soda now. Remy boys, they know us. Yeah. Fast money, don't slow. No, they can't control. No, yeah.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope that the quality was a lot better than usual. It obviously is, but if you guys want to see more videos from me, please give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all later and bye-bye.
Met her in the club, all the polish showing.